Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey beyond the ordinary. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing, the unusual, the surreal. Our planet is brimming with destinations that defy logic and challenge the confines of reality. From the ethereal salt flats of Bolivia to the fiery chasms of Antelope Canyon, we'll traverse the globe together, seeking the extraordinary in every corner. We'll gaze at the cosmic dance of the northern lights, explore the alien landscapes of Socotra Island, and marvel at the bioluminescent wonder of the Waitomo glowworm caves. Each location a testament to the enchanting variety that our world has to offer. So strap in, set your imagination free, and ready your senses. Ready to embark on an enchanting journey? Bolivia, home to the world's largest salt flat, Salar de Uyuni. This surreal canvas of stark white salt, rock formations and islands dotted with towering cacti stretches over 10,000 square kilometers. What was once a prehistoric lake has over time transformed into this mesmerizing mirror of the heavens. It's a sight that truly challenges our perception of reality. Not just a geographical marvel, Salar de Uyuni bears a significant historical weight too. It holds half the world's lithium reserves, an element that powers our modern digital life. But the true magic of the place unfolds when the skies open up and the salt flat turns into a gigantic mirror, reflecting the heavens above. It's a spectacle that transforms the ordinary into extraordinary, making you feel like you're walking amongst the stars. Venturing into this ethereal landscape is an experience in itself. Whether it's the sight of a surreal sunrise, painting the sky in hues of red, orange and pink, or the thrill of watching flamingos take flight in the nearby lagoons, every moment is a feast for the senses. And when night falls, the spectacle becomes otherworldly. The salt flat, under the starlit sky, becomes a window into the universe, offering a glimpse of the infinite beyond. The landscape's unique beauty extends to the islands in its midst. The most famous, Isla Incahuasi, is an ancient coral island blanketed by thousands of towering cacti. These cacti, some over 1,000 years old, stand as silent sentinels, adding to the surreal beauty of the place. But perhaps the most captivating experience Salar de Uyuni offers is the sense of tranquility. In the vast expanse of the salt flat, where the horizon blurs into infinity, you can hear the silence. It's a place that invites you to pause, reflect, and lose yourself in the sheer beauty and awe of nature. A place where earth and sky merge into one. Salar de Uyuni is a surreal spectacle, unveiling the magic of Antelope Canyon, USA. Nestled in the heart of the southwestern United States, this hidden gem is more than just a canyon. It's a canvas of nature's artistry, a timeless masterpiece shaped by the relentless forces of wind and water. Antelope Canyon is a slot canyon, a narrow chasm cut into the bedrock of the earth. Over millions of years, flash floods have eroded the sandstone, sculpting the canyon's iconic flowing shapes and smooth wave-like walls. The result is an awe-inspiring landscape of swirling red and orange stone, a labyrinth of light and shadow that changes with the sun's journey across the sky. But the canyon's beauty isn't just skin deep. It's also a place of profound spiritual significance for the Navajo Nation, who call this land home. They named it Tsebiganilini, which means the place where water runs through rocks in the Navajo language. It's a testament to the canyon's creation, a story of transformation told in stone. The true magic of Antelope Canyon reveals itself when the sun is high in the sky. As light pours down into the narrow crevasses, it bounces off the canyon walls, creating a radiant display of color and form. The canyon transforms into a cathedral of warm hues, an ethereal light show that paints the walls with hues of gold, apricot and rose. This spectacle is a photographer's dream, a surreal landscape that seems to belong to another world. But it's more than just a sight to behold. It's a reminder of the power of nature, the beauty that can be born from the raw, chaotic forces of the earth. Antelope Canyon is not just a destination, but a journey into a world sculpted by time, where every curve and crevice tells a tale of the elements at play. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where the familiar becomes fantastic. Carved by time, Antelope Canyon is a testament to nature's artistry, a testament that reminds us of the beauty that lies in the heart of the earth, waiting to be discovered. Brace yourself for a celestial spectacle, the Northern Lights. Also known as Aurora Borealis, this natural light display is a dance of colors in the sky, an experience that transcends the ordinary. It's a phenomenon that occurs when charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's atmosphere. This collision creates a spectacular display of lights, painting the sky with hues of green, blue, purple, and sometimes red. But the science behind it, while fascinating, pales in comparison to the surreal sight itself. The northern lights are elusive and unpredictable, just like the best things in life. They can be seen in the polar regions, in both the northern and southern hemispheres. However, some of the best places to witness this magical light show are in the far northern parts of the world. Imagine standing in the frosty landscapes of Iceland, Norway, or Canada under the vast star-lit sky. Suddenly the darkness is broken as a soft glow emerges. The glow intensifies, transforming into a wave of vibrant colors, dancing and twirling across the night sky. It's a sight that leaves you breathless and humble, reminding you of the grandeur of our universe. The Northern Lights are not just a spectacle, they are a spiritual journey. Some indigenous cultures consider them as the spirits of their ancestors, watching over them. Others see them as omens or celestial beings. Regardless of the interpretation, there's a unanimous agreement on one thing: they are a sight to behold. Every light show is unique, just like a snowflake. No two performances are the same. The lights can form streaks, arcs, rippling curtains, or even spirals. And while photos and videos can capture their beauty, they can't replicate the feeling of witnessing them firsthand. A trip to see the Northern Lights is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about braving the cold, waiting in the darkness, and then being rewarded with one of the most spectacular shows nature has to offer. A symphony of lights, the Aurora Borealis, is an ethereal ballet in the sky. Welcome to Socotra Island, Yemen's alien landscape. Tucked away in the Arabian Sea, this remote island is a world unto itself. Known as the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, Socotra is a testament to the quirks of evolution. Stepping foot on Socotra is like landing on another planet. It's home to nearly 1,000 species of flora and fauna that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. Among them, the most famous is the dragon's blood tree, a peculiar umbrella-shaped tree that bleeds red sap when cut. Then there's the desert rose, a tree that looks like it sprouted straight out of a Dr. Seuss book. Its bloated trunk stores water to survive Socotra's harsh climate, and its pink flowers add a pop of color to the arid landscape. But it's not just the flora that's strange and wonderful here. Socotra is also home to countless endemic species of birds, reptiles, and insects, each more fascinating than the last. The island's landscapes are just as otherworldly. From stark white sand dunes that rise like waves from the sea to jagged limestone plateaus that once lay at the bottom of the ocean, Socotra's terrain is a geologist's dream. Even the culture here is distinctive. The Socotri people have lived in isolation for centuries, preserving ancient traditions and a unique language that's spoken nowhere else on Earth. But despite its remoteness, Socotra is not untouched by the modern world. Climate change and development pose threats to its unique ecosystem. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve this surreal destination for future generations. Whether you're a nature lover, a science geek, or just someone who appreciates the bizarre and beautiful, Socotra Island is a place that will captivate your imagination. It's a reminder of nature's capacity for diversity, resilience, and sheer inventiveness. A living museum of natural history, Socotra is a testament to nature's eccentricity. Venture into the magical world of Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Nestled in the heart of the Kiwi nation, these caves are more than just geological marvels. They are homes to an enchanting species, the Arachnocampa luminosa, more commonly known as the New Zealand glowworm. These glowworms are unique to New Zealand, illuminating the darkness of the cave with their bioluminescent glow, akin to a starlit sky. This spectacle is a result of their hunt for food. The glowworms produce a dazzling light to attract prey, ensnaring them in sticky threads that hang from the cave ceilings. As you journey through these caves, you're treated to a mesmerizing show of lights. It's as if you're traversing through a galaxy, except this one lies beneath the Earth's crust. The stillness of the caves, punctuated only by the soft drip-drip of water, enhances the mystical aura of this subterranean wonder. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are not just a testament to nature's ingenuity, but also to the passage of time. These limestone formations have been sculpted by the forces of nature over 30 million years. Stalactites, stalagmites, and other calcite formations add to the otherworldly beauty of these caves, serving as silent witnesses to the ages that have passed. The Glowworm caves are a sensory experience unlike any other. As you float through the underground river, the soft echo of water against rock, the cool, damp air, and the ethereal glow of the worms create a surreal atmosphere. It's a journey into an alien world, right here on our own planet. The caves offer a chance to disconnect from the outside world and immerse oneself in the serene, mystical beauty of nature. It's a reminder of how complex and diverse life can be, even in the darkest corners of the Earth. A galaxy beneath the Earth, the Waitomo Glowworm caves are a spectacle like no other. And that concludes our surreal journey across the globe. We've wandered the reflective expanses of Salar de Uyuni, navigated the fiery crevices of Antelope Canyon, marveled at the ethereal dance of the Northern Lights, unearthed the alien landscapes of Socotra Island, and delved into the luminescent depths of Waitomo Glowworm caves. Each destination a testament to the boundless wonders our world holds. Remember, the world is full of surreal wonders waiting to be discovered. So, where will your next adventure take you?